pilgrim on earth temporarily. Anyone boasting in vain, anyone suffering frustration. The sun rises in the morning and sun sets in the evening. There is a hope for those who try hard, shed not a tear for being poor. Like blooming flowers will fade away next day. There is a hope for whoever tries hard. Expect no better world for you and me except the Lord Jesus. Today's blaring sound of the cannon, dead, silent next day. Time for smoky world, there's surely time for peace. Nothing is everlasting. Our life is life that comes and goes. There is a hope for those who try hard, shed not a tear for being poor. Like blooming flower will fade away next day. There is a hope for whoever tries hard. Expect no better world for you and me except the Lord Jesus. Today's blaring sound of the cannon, dead, silent next day. If time for smoky world, there's surely time for peace. Nothing is everlasting. Our life is life that comes and goes. While pilgrim on earth temporarily, anyone boasting in vain, anyone suffering frustration. The sun rises in the morning and sun sets